Of anticipation. Really? Really?
One enemy remaining.
It's like duck hunting, baby.
Very close to that. Come to you.
Clip it, baby! I'm such an asshole.
Bro, what the fuck? How?
What the fuck? I don't know who the fuck you are, but get fucked. Got him right where he likes it.
One enemy remaining. Spike down. Oh my god.
Ah, you fuck die! Get knife! Asshole! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! I came a second time.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Don't keep it. Nice. That worked, bro.
Da 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 da. Oh god, I missed it. Fuck.
Oh.
I tried to fucking grab onto the wall, but I couldn't. God damn it. Hell yeah. Yeah, we're back. We are back. Ah, crap, our audio's on. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Bale games going on here. Hopefully everything's working. It's been a hot minute. Let's see here. Do. We need a Sunder Charm. That's like the biggest problem we have right now. Is not being able to take care of these fucking ice bastards. W live. It's good to be live. We may have to run cows as well so we can try to get a Monarch shield. We still don't have a Monarch. We have a lot of shit that we gotta do. We are so behind. We had Anime Festival Orlando last weekend. The week before that, we had our event for Dead by Daylight. It's been non-stop grinding, but not on games, which sucks. And then next month, we got GCX and our GCX event. So this time of the year, we basically have three... I wasn't paying attention. We basically have 3 conventions in a row. And, it makes it very interesting. Wow. Where'd I die? Had to be over here. Oh, that explains why. Oh god. They're on my body. So we close our eyes, so good. Fuck, our inventory was full of garbage. Gotta go get our pots. This kind of sucks, really. Like, we need to get us under charms like that. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it at this point. How are you doing today, Dark? This is Diablo. Diablo 2 Resurrected. They're just possessed. I thought they were... Alright, we'll try to clear some of these out. Darker, how are you doing today? How you doing? Just okay. What the fuck?
Thanks.
Do do do. Burial grounds, crypt, and mausoleum. Am I having a good day? Yeah, I'm having an alright day. I hope you're having an alright day. Oh snap, we were in the wrong place. Well, we got her before the time ran out. Hopefully the next area doesn't have too many cold immune. A bot. What the fuck? How do heck? Oh, catacombs. That's awesome, actually. God. Ba-da. Hmm. 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 Thanks, bro. Appreciate you. See here. Too many. I don't want to just like face push Andariel while she's like this, you know what I mean? I don't want to deal with the... I want to deal with the cold immune. And we can get... We can get them to drop Sunder Charms off of our... Oh, my headphones are a little low. Okay. Okay. This is gonna get expensive if he's gonna keep dying. Yeah, baby. We should just wash, rinse, and repeat. Okay, like this stuff. This is what we kind of want here. Unique monsters, nightmare monsters, anything that could pop a fucking... These, that's good too. Money. That'll get us closer to a Sunder, I believe, based on the current mechanics. There's not a ton of cold immunes down here, you know what I'm saying? Okay, well. Here we go. Like these guys. Because they can pop out. I forget what they're called. I forget what they're called, dude. Those guys we don't want. This guy we want. Alpha the Destroyer. We would fight him, but I'm starting to wonder if I just want to flat out go for Andariel. Fuck it. We literally are running like the worst possible insight too. Zero value whatsoever. I think we'll just pump Andariel, you know? Try to get as much as we can. We're already not getting much, and we only have 20 minutes left. Level 1, sure. Immune to cold. Oh, everyone's extra fast now. X trophy. Okay, there's a couple of uniques here. Damn, I heard that sound and I was like, yo! We want these dudes. Devil, what's up, dude? Just trying to get our Cold Sunder. Finally able to get on for a couple hours. We're apparently partnered in the Kick Partner program now, too. As if anything but bots comes over to that thing. How goes the Sork? Cold immunity sucks. Andy's terrorized right now, so we're kind of trying to squeeze out a Sunder Charm. Oh shit, Andy's gonna be super fast too. Yes. Let me guess, you have like 50 of them? Dude, my entire season is gonna be you giving me everything. This is ridiculous. Two extra cold ones? I wouldn't mind one. Do I need to upgrade them too? I have some statues. Do you need statues? I have a few of the first statue and a couple of second statues. What do you want in exchange? You want like a pole rune or something? You need shards? I have some shards. I don't have a lot. I just started collecting them. I can give you what I have though. Because you give me a lot. Look at that, we got another fucking statue. %. And yes, statues. I can give you a couple of statues. I want to try to collect it. Couple. So I can, you know, power up my character. Do I want to rainbow facet my fucking weapon, or do I want to put whatever I get? Actually, never mind. I was thinking of my Warlock last season. My bad. I can hop in town. Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake. Colossus Jewel? What the fuck? You got everything, dude. You're having a great season. Give me a sec. Or someone walking in stealing. You should be able to join me off of I should have made it a normal game. You should be able to join me off lobby. What? You did what? I created a game. What happened? I left to create a game. My bad. Where did I get? Let me get rid of this junk real quick. Oh, I didn't know it would let you do that. Oh shit. Oh shit, let's go. Wow, this is a nice one too. So what you need. I want to hold one of each. And then two of the statues, so. Hopefully that helps you. Take the jewels on a mule. I can hang out here. I just want to give you some stuff because you're always giving me things, you know? I just haven't been playing. I'd give you more. I just have not been on. I have barely been on. I probably maybe have less than 20 hours this season. Like I'm already planning next month's fucking convention event. To the moment to expand on what it is. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Now I have to rearrange my arms to fix my... I need a Monarch shield. That's the next thing I'm working on. I still don't even have my fucking Spirit shield, dude. I'm still running that lidless. That's the other thing I was gonna do is cows. Just all day until I got one. Life sucks. Old resist. I can't. Paper chaser, got your block on fire. Oh, I have another shard for you. Look at my cube. Bam, 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 bam. Here, I got another shard for you. Ooh, what do these do again? Oh shit. Yeah, I'm about to go throw this on there now. I gotta get my Monarch shield, dude. What are they selling, like, Monarch shields for? Okay, hold on. I think I can go put this in right now. I want to do it on this one. Is two mastery the best you can get on a drop? Keep finding them. Tapped out. If you find a Monarch, let me know. Just like a regular Monarch or one with 4 open sockets. 2. Okay, so I don't really care too much about lightning mastery or perfecting this. I just care about cold. Kind of rushing it, but like this season we're kind of boned. There you go. Sick. I was gonna put cold pass it in anyway, so this works out good. Yeah, of course. I'm gonna run a Massacre Andy while you're here. Actually, hold on. The cold resistance is tanked. Dude, I need that spirit so bad. We might have to make a Callous game. It's hot. Yeah, it's fire. Thank you. I appreciate you. Appreciate you a lot. That helps a lot. We definitely are going to need to find some cold char resistance charms ASAP. This game sucks. Everything's cold enchanted. Even Andy's gonna be cold enchanted. Halfway crook, scared to death, scared to look shut. Now we're on the right path. 1000%. This really helps our magic find too, doesn't it? Oh yes. That's huge. Legend. You're such a fucking legend, Devil. Like, 1000%. I'm only like level 81. E2. Maybe I'm 83 now. 82. Alright. Those things halfway crooked, scared to death, scared to look.
Thanks.
Of course. Oh, I gotta get my torch too. That's my next thing, dude. I gotta get my fucking torch. take it back. I do have stuff I gotta do. Oh, fuck. That's gonna be such a pain. I don't have any other characters to run Ubers. Son of a bitch, dude. I might have to trade for it. How much are they selling torches for? I really don't want to give up my ist for a fucking torch. I have no idea how much they're selling for. We're gonna have to run. I gotta find better Merc gear for sure. He's running garbage.
Thanks.
Blood moon. Ooh, feral claws. Yoink. Fire lizard's talons. Mwahaha.
Impossible.
I mean, actually, it's not great. It could have used much better rolls for the resistances. I'm gonna run a Cow's level and try to get a Monarch. Inventory is tough. Yeah, life sucks. Life is the suck. Ugh. I gotta start getting rid of some of this shit now. So many mules. Yeah, well, having the stash tab is nice, but yeah, mules for sure. I'm gonna dump, I think. I need to put some stuff on a mule for sure. 100%. 110%. Do I want to make this into a cure helm for him? What is he running? No, I don't think that'll help him. He's already tanked on fucking resistances. We need levels. Levels would help us. We're in a much better situation, but if we run into anything with cold immunity, we're destroyed. Chaos Sanctuary? Mother... Devil, you need another shard? I just got another one. Ooh, a doldrum. Ba ba da ba ba. That's why I want to give him a cure home, so I can get rid of these stupid fucking... I just need a better one. I need to get him better armor. That's like another half of it, too. We need to get a Monarch 1,000%. No conviction is brutal. Yeah. That hurts too. I want to give him an insight, like a better insight. I don't run Infinity. I love running him with Chains of Honor. His insight is shit, dude. He's still running his insight back from when I fucking made it on normal mode. We just haven't found a fucking base. Like we're hurting on bases right now. We really need to do cows. That's why we're out here. We're less than 20 hours in on this season. Ow, my health. Why? But our friends are helping us. It's just that when they're helping us with gear, we're not out here grinding, you know? Like, we gotta get out here and do our own shit and get our fucking gear up. We've been doing too many IRL events. Not enough online gaming. Full term. You. Ever seen a melee fort? Oh, melee sword. Yeah, they use enchant, right? An enchant sword. Melee enchant. Yeah, they're pretty sick. I almost always play Blizzorb. We're still kind of a low level. We're only 82. I don't know why I'm killing all these people. We just need to get the... What the fuck is it? We're in Cold Plains. We're not even in the right fucking place. Look the wrong one. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, that sounds awesome. There's a lot of really cool builds that just... People don't play them, you know? People just want to run their mains. Like their Fire Warlocks or their Hammered-ins. Blizzorb is the only character that I don't get bored playing. So like when I don't have a lot of time, this is the one I just play. Piercing. This? Look at this. This is the worst amulet I've seen in forever. What the fuck? I don't think I've ever seen an amulet that bad before for a fucking rare. Yeah, unfortunately I put most of my stuff into fucking Blizzard, so I'm buying off my orbs right now, but yeah. I need a Thresher, dude. I just flat out need a Thresher. I don't even care if it's ethereal right now. He needs an upgrade on damage, like he is just not doing it. There we are. Gonna run cows, see if we can't find some bases. Blow our equipment up a little bit here. What the fuck is a warlock? Wait, yeah, I gotcha. It feels as good. Resurrected feels as good as 2 right now. Oh god. Oh god. I knew it. Go away, Griswold. Devil without a cause. Blizzard is just so fucking unreliable in terms of hits. This character can do all of that, but we're not. We're focused on just getting our fucking bases right now. Unfortunately, we have like 300 plus magic to find bases, so it's gonna be a bitch. Minion. You hiding over here, boy? Oh, nope. We do not have our merc with us. Later. We'll be back. We'll be back! Like Dragon Ball Super. How do that? Yeah, I mean, you could say I'm about to go to cows. I'm looking for the base for mercenary items and also hopefully a monarch for myself. He needs a better weapon, armor, helm. I need a better shield. Right. And now that we have our Cold Sunder, that's a good thing. However, also, our cold immunity is dog shit now. We need a monarch. That would help us a ton right now. Got him. Cool. Not Storm Shield, just the base. I want to make a
Impossible.
shit, my brain, dude. Not rhyme. Shit, man. I forget, dude. You know, I could also put a fucking... That would only give me 19, but shit, dude, not having the resistance. I don't want to waste a slot on that fucking thing. I'll literally have to make a character just to get there. And I'm just like, no. Not a rhyme shield. Yeah, spirit, thank you. For luck. See. Alright, Monarch. Don't fuck with me. We shouldn't have issues here. We've done Health House before. We just don't clear it very fast. But hopefully we're getting quality over quantity. Devil being in the game might help us get some better drops. That, I've always felt the same thing. But I've also had people be like, that's not true. But it's a luck thing, you know? It's like going fishing with your favorite rod. Why wouldn't you just do it? You know, I'm going to hold that. I'm going to try to re-roll those, I think, into old charms. Like resistance. We're like right on the cusp. We need to do bail runs. If I was level 90, I would feel more comfortable. Our mercenary would have higher resistances. No, why did I do that? Wrong button. Yeah, this champion's in there. Why? Why do I keep hitting the wrong button? I'm clicking faster than I'm button pushing. Nice. It's still a luck thing. I still do it. You know you're old school Diablo player if you still believe in that shit. Like, that's old school. Really? I played 4 when it first came out and haven't touched it since. See, I have the Warlock update and everything, and I wanted to go play it, but I'm just too into Resurrected to play it right now. Alright, where we at here? Lightning. And of course he's cursed. Why wouldn't he be cursed? Can we not kill my homeboy, please? Stupid ass sludge. Everyone uses the same item, super lame. Talking about 4? Yeah, I feel like 4 doesn't. The newer games, the way they drop you like unique items every time you kill anything. Like, I like 3 a lot. Oh, King. Yeah, well, let's fight the King with an enhanced damage curse. I bet he's enhanced damage too. If I get a Monarch, I have half a mind to just go and slot it with a character. I will run a brand new fucking character just to socket that fucker, I feel like. Right. That is absolutely 100% correct. Where the fuck are my rune words? Very anti-physical, man. It's fine. He's dead. Really, bro? That's all you're dropping me? Cold, cold, cold? I would drop that. Yeah, like I said, well, I don't know if you were here, but homeboy hooked me up. So we have a very powerful Talras's Love the Eye right now. He gave us our, the stone from statues for cold damage. So that's helping a lot. Giving us an extra bonus for enemy cold resistance plus cold skill damage. More magic find. More experience. But the magic find isn't helping me right now. That's, you know what I mean? Like, we need bases. Well, the stats are different because of the rock that's in there. It's not really so much a wait, when's the last time you played this game? There might be a light to catch up. You said pre-Warlock? You know what Thunder Charms are, right? Thunder would have been pre-Warlock. Oh. Thunder Charms. This is a nice one my friend gave me. It fucks my resistance, but it gets rid of monster cold immunity. So nothing can be cold immune. I need a Geeds too. So I need a torch to replace this. I need a torch. I need a Geeds to replace this crap. I got those two things. This build would mostly be done after the spirit. Another small charm. Let's go. Off. Actually, hold on. Sorry, I'm playing better music on Twitch. Yeah, once our orb gets leveled up, we'll be in a much better position too. Hello? Oh my god, perfection. Ask and thou shalt receive. And now we have a 9% resistance. Yay! Yeah, so I'm looking for bases for my rune words because I need a spirit. I have half a mind to just chuck a fucking perfect diamond in there and give myself a little bit more. I just don't want to make a whole fucking mule just to run fucking socket quests, you know what I mean? But I probably will end up doing that anyways. Because I'm going to have to use my warlock probably to... Well, have you seen a warlock? I can show you my warlock. He doesn't have a lot of skills available though. But I'd have to leave my friend. Let me finish cows first. I was hoping the blizzard damage would be better, but its hits are too inconsistent. You didn't know what you were looking at, though. If I was in hardcore, I'd be dead already. I wouldn't even be here. it added, like, I can't show you because when I hover over it, yeah, I can't. It's got a socket. Oh, dude was using a bow. For warlocks, you can do that. That's a warlock's not a bad character. Right now, fire is pretty strong, but you're thinking of Miasma Chain. Because you're proccing his stats with a bow. Because the bow has piercing, so it procs more. What else is new since you've been back? You already know Annie's. Oh, we got a boss over. We got a badass over here. My mercenary's gear is dog shit. I actually have a sick armor for him, but like the strength was 230, so he's never gonna be able to wear it. Unless we get like an Andes helmet or something. Yeah, aura farming was the shit. I used to do that a lot too. I had a paladin that had like 4 or 5 auras on him. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Ooh. Did we kill the... Where are they? I guess we killed him. Wow. The guy coming out of nowhere. I don't need this at all. Yeah, I'm trying to get 1,000 followers on TikTok so that I can just... so, you're not supposed to be able to stream on TikTok unless you have 1,000 followers. Or use the phone, or use their desktop. If you use their desktop and stream for like 10 or so hours, and then use Restream, TikTok can't tell the difference. So you can use Restream with TikTok. So I'm using OBS right now. But yeah, I'm trying to get 1,000 followers so I can do it organically, because it does break every once in a while. TikTok's pretty badass, but I don't like running the desktop while I'm playing the game. It makes some games run like shit. Yeah, I don't really want to fuck with a cold enchanting chaos sanctuary. Not gonna lie. Otherwise, I'd be all up in there right now farming it too. Oh, here we go. There's the boss down there. And they're... You wanna fuck me up? Their fanaticism. Oh god. Oh yeah, he dead as hell. Nope. Nope. Go away. Nope. Go away. I do, yeah. I maxed the fuck out of it. I'm sorry, Miss Kasha. Mercenary died. I should. I don't have any other cold resist gear. This is a skill charm. Okay. To reroll a charm B2R. I don't want to reroll a grand charm. Oh, I need the 3 perfect gems. Still expensive. That's monkey donkey. That's monkey monkey. Um. If there is a better way to do this. $19 to life isn't terrible. We'll hold that right now. Just wish there was a better way to do this. Come on, everybody, let's get fucked up. So expensive. I don't even want to. Yeah, my cold max is maxed. Sell you. We got some haters over here, we got some haters over there, we got the people in the middle acting like they just don't care. This is really, we don't even fucking need this. it wouldn't. I don't know, man. We just gotta play. We might. When Sammy gets home, we got stuff to do. But I might stay up tonight and stream 12, 16, 24-hour stream. Oh, ow. Everywhere we go, everywhere we go, everywhere we go. I'm about to make a new call level. That is Act 5, though. We go. We go. Ah, fuck. Yeah, we should just sell the Arcana, dude. We ain't got time or nothing to deal with none of that.
Good morning.
Sell that. Sell that. And we could put something temporary. We could sell curtains. Eisenhearts. We don't need either of those. Does that fuck my poison resistance up? Not badly. Oh, it does.
I can.
Alright, hold on, let's sell this junk. Momota. Loving your Necro. Hey, you need a rush? Do you need a rush? I tried to do a rush on your Necro for a rush on my Warlock. No, you're good. I have some more stones for you. So I have some more stuff I need to ask of you. I went out and I got some more, I have a couple more of these that I can give you. I can give you another trophy as well. I need a torch, and the last thing I need is torch and Geeds. I think those are my last two things that I need. If you happen to have extra. Sork, torch, and Geeds. My resistances are kind of boned right now. You don't? Okay, no worries. If you find one, let me know. And then Monarch. If you happen to have a better insight randomly, Geeds are hard to find now. That sucks. I can trade for it. I have a pull rune. I don't know if that's worth the Geeds though. I really don't want to trade my Ist. I don't know what gold or what Geeds are selling for. But I definitely need a Sork torch or a torch until I find a Sork torch. Okay, you left, so I'm going to make another cow level. Gotcha, no worries. When I get my character up to snuff, then we'll run stuff together. I'm gonna probably run some bales too, if I can find a good bale bot. I appreciate all your help, man. This season's been really rough for me. Last season was pretty rough, but like this has been ridiculously annoying. I really fucking hate like begging for gear type shit. It's annoying. My goal for the next week or two is just to be online as much as possible, which will piss Sammy off, but I'm just gonna sacrifice sleep. That way I'm not like neglecting her. I'm on the right path though, thanks to you. So thank you. And your community too. I'm sure your community has also helped. It's hard to like do more than one thing at a time, you know, like probably isn't even, wait, what the fuck? Just had that. Frozen. I wish his Rock Stopper was ethereal. Do you need anything for your Necromancer? I don't really have Necro stuff. I got a couple of items, but they're low level. I've really been saving for Necro. Okay, cool. Wasn't planning on doing a Necro this season. Good to know that skill, oh, you know what? I just thought of something. I just thought of something. I wonder if the Geebs are harder to fucking come by because now Sunders are taking over. In the loot pool as a normal item drop. If I find a Sunder, I'm going to give it to you as a trade for this one. To make it fair.
Good day.
Speedy boys. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna run some fail runs, I think, just to level myself up more. Hopefully people are running them. Of course, he's cold. Enchanted. Honestly, I should do that and just that'll level my orb up. I'd be able to run cows faster. I'm just really easy to smoke on cold damage right now. Well, maybe that'll help me. I can't believe how hard it's been for me to get a spirit shield. Normally I'd have like 10 of those by now. Devil, you live right now, or are you just grinding it out off stream? Hi, haters. This is my world. Just grinding? My man. All resistance is 15. Yo, that's fire. Racing for 99 Necro. Nice. Oh, hold on. We got cows fucking our world up. Get 15. Might have to dump you. Okay. Oh, we can dump you too, huh? Actually, hold up. That's poison. Okay, poison fucks me. Okay, we do lose that on a fire 10. Okay, now we can also get some of our magic vine back. Sick. That helps us a lot. Or does it? Yeah, that 20. That's actually huge. That's huge, dude. Huge. Shit. Yeah, that is awesome. That helps me a massive amount. That'll help us a bit. Plus all resistance charm would be outstanding. Where are you getting your ass kicked? What's going on out here, Kasim? What are you doing, bro? Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Thanks for hanging out with me, Double. You're welcome in VC if you want. You don't have to. I'm only gonna be on for a little bit longer as it is anyways, I think. I know when Sammy hits, she's gonna want food. I haven't eaten anything today yet. I really want to try to get some fishing time into at some point. I want to live stream fishing more. We haven't done it yet. I want to get a scooter like Sammy has and fucking stream from riding on the scooter. That would be sick too. I have so many things I want to do for streaming. Being a variety streamer is such an interesting thing. Variety. Kasim, you're getting your ass kicked again. Come on. Stab the cows, buddy. Superior Vortex Orb? What the fuck? Wow, it's sellable, I guess. No, you're good, you're good. Don't worry about it. Like, I'm chilling, you know? I definitely want to play with you some more. So I'm going to try to be on in the morning. Wait, today Wednesday? Oh, today's grocery day and sushi day. Yeah, she's going to want to go for sushi for sure. You killed my guy. I wonder. Pretty sure.
I'll put that to good use. I'll put that to good use. I'll put that to good use. I'll put that
Okay.
to good use.
Don't I have the Sazabi's helmet too? Damn.
I'll put that to good use.
The thing that I like about this is it gives him a little bit of a better healing, like self-heal.
I'll put that to good use. I'll put
Gives him more damage though because of strength.
good use. I'll put that to good use.
Oh, actually. That's would hurt. That could work. Okay, I have to change games. We'll clear out cows. We got fucking King up here. That gives him more damage, more health. Sewers wouldn't be terrible, but they have cold damaging enemies down there. Well, I have an idea. Is King dead? Did we kill King? No, he's down there. King's dead. Long live the King. Alright, this actually might benefit him a lot. Oh fuck, are you serious? Please? Three. Fuck off.
Impossible.
He's sad. So this might actually allow us to give him the Colossus Bulge for right now, which would be nice. I wish the strength was coming from a helmet. But it's one way to do it. I think if we run like 5 more cows, we'll have everything we'll need. Yeah, and once we get a couple more levels in us.
Destroy the land. There was one spark of hope
I can't.
for all of mankind.
This is a man. Okay. Let me check something real quick. Where are we? Oh Lord. We're in quest 2.
The order welcomes you.
Alright, let's see. Runes. Weird. %35 enhanced damage. An AM tier strength weapon. Level 25. Okay, we could make that. Oh, sorry. I need to sell you. Alright, well, we'll sell that in hell because it'll be worth way more money. So am tier. Then we'll give that to our homeboy. Wait. Put that there. This guy will want that. Better beef him up a little bit. Interesting. I don't need that. Infernal Shine. Okay. Gold resistances. Okay. Fire resistance. We need cold. This is how we show it. You will not control it. Don't get pissed, cause this is how we show it. Fragile. Agile. Do 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 do. Fire resistance. So you didn't need that one. Okay. Okay. This is how we show it. With emotions, you will not control it. We just need the Saigon shoes. Do I have those? Are we fireproof? Here we are. Okay. Let's see. A bunch of junk on the ground.
I am overburdened.
There. Do we have Mills Rod? We do. Fuck, man.
Good day.
Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Will help spit here. One more time. Beat the shit out of him. His inventory was full. Uh-oh. Level up. We.
And I know now we're getting older. The world we built is slipping through our fingers. We're running out of time. You are the one I've chosen, and I won't lay still. Living left behind, imprisoned by this love. I could feel your heartbeat. I could feel somewhere you're looking down. I could feel your heartbeat. I could feel somewhere you're looking down. 'Cause it's you, and it's you that I wanna be, and it's you I'm loving, and it's you that I wanna need.
Body moving, body moving. Flame on. Flame out right when I was born. Man, body moving. Okay. Okay, 21, 22, 33. I don't know why I have two of those. Lifesteal. Fucking huge fire resistance. Commits. Arctic binding. Wait, who the fuck? The hell? Son of a bitch.
I bet you.
Really bad. One out of those things. Just been dash. Just been dash. 8 resistances. Can't be frozen. Cold resist. Son of a bitch.
Will these tired eyes awake? It's easier to hide than say. I have made mistakes, and I can't go back this time.
I don't expect this of you.
Looking up into pure sight, I have made mistakes, and I can't go back this time.
Gotta find a rush. I thought that would have been them. Oh well. Can't, won't, don't stop. Can't, won't, you don't stop. Show shot. Da, ba, ba, da, 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 da. Oh. Fuck. That sucks. This is a good game name. Shut down. Shut down.
You're listening to
Whip it, whip, whip it.
monstercast.com/006 to purchase albums from Decay for free.
Motherfucker. Vroom, 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 vroom.
I am overwhelmed.
Do, 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 do. Blackpink in your area. Yeah. no, it's storming. I wanted the fucking fish. Ring. You memory of time I tried so hard, got so far. In the end, doesn't even matter. yeah. Get that teleport. Let's go. Tried so far and got so far. That's so hard. How the fuck? Sick. Bada bow, bada bow, bada bow.
Darken the day, but my deeds will not.
Wow. Isn't it just 6? Mr. Frosty the Fire Sork. This guy needs a better weapon, bruh. Oh shit. Forgot about my demon dudes. For too long.
I can't use that yet.
What? You're on level 12?
Excellent.
What? Now you know. Holy shit.
Going to see.
Oh, thanks, guys.
Terror and destruction will not elude me forever.
Ba 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 ba.
Greetings, Jerry. Ahoy, mate.
Fuck, man. All right. We gotta focus on Homeboy and get him out of here soon. I'll be back on later, likely. I gotta go
Cool, bro. I gotta go fucking hang out with Sammy and shit. I'll be back.